Hi there, welcome everybody. The last thing that I'm going to show you today is the exam creator. And it is actually not located in the AI tools. It is in the area where you would create an exam. To test management, you can see here, and say create test. So as I told you, this is in beta, this is a preview that you're getting today. So this is something that we're going to give you the opportunity to try for yourselves if you'd like to. So we can select Create with AI, and it doesn't support proctored exams at this time, but if this is something, if you like to assign practice tests to your students or do a lot of formative assessment, this is a quick and easy way to do that. And it will pull questions from the Lecturio QBanks. I do want to point out that there are a limited number of QBanks available currently for the exam creator. And I want to show this to you quickly. Depending on what QBanks you have active in your academy, this will apply. So the exam creator is only applicable right now for USMLE Step 1, Step 2, for NCLEX-RN, MBBS, and NCLEX-PN if you have that active in your academy. More QBanks will be available when this is in a wide release. So if you don't see the QBank that you need, that will be coming. So we're going to select USMLE Step 1 for our AI exam creation. All right. So I am going to use the topic we've been using today. We'll just have a shorter number of questions. And it gives you a little bit of a status overview there on the screen so you know what it's doing as you wait. If you wanted to create a longer test and there weren't as many questions available in the QBank as you would like, you can use the question generator that we just saw to generate additional questions on that topic to fill out the rest of your exam. And that's a great way to use these tools. So as you can see, it was able to find 5 questions on the pathology of GERD for us. If we needed more questions, we could add them with search. Or if we knew the question ID, if we'd done that searching in advance, we could add questions by the ID number. But you can see we get a preview of each of these questions. We can delete the questions if we're not happy with them. Or we can create test. So I'm going to select create test. It shows us the options here. We can change and edit these options if we'd like to do so. You can see the items that appear. Again, as with any exam, you can change the order, shuffle the order, delete questions, and edit the options if you'd like to do that. I'm going to select save. Would I like to assign this test? Assuming that you would like to assign your test, it will ask you to select the groups and learners and give you all the options that you would normally have available when you create an assignment. So that is the AI QBank creator, AI test creator. So thanks for your time today, and we'll see you next time.